Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania and I am here visiting Mr. Lester Martin, and I'm just going to do an update as to what is happening with Mr. Lester. So guys, I just want you to stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the show. Hello, Mr. Lester.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm passing through.
Who that, ma'am?
And me.
You
don't know the lady will always come here to you.
Miss who that? What's the name, please?
You don't know Miss Tania?
Miss Tania that?
Yes. Me cut off my hair. So my hair cut off, you not even realize it's me.
So I know you just come.
Yes, I'm just passing through now.
So what, ma'am?
Me just gonna get the update on the bathroom. I want to put the bathroom inside. Alright, may I come round and see? Please note guys, those who sent money through PayPal, the money is not cleared as yet and an update will be given when done and the use of funds. Anyone who sent money after this video, the update will be given at a later date. Those who contributed to the bathroom did not put any money in my hands. Thank you. Oh my, you feel upgraded, so I'm seeing, what is this on the ground here? Linoleum. What you call it? Linoleum.
Linoleum.
Oh, but it look nice. You need to bigger up, man.
I'm my daughter, you know.
And your daughter.
Is that lady bring it?
Bright eye, give it to him from him family. Send it.
Yeah, family.
Oh, but it look nice.
And him get one sheet set, but we can't put on the bed because the bed has a messy one throw it.
Yes, because in terms of the bed, me so change it. But we want to sort out the roof first.
The bad man, I wait up.
Yes, the roof want to be sorted.
Last night I wait up.
But my bed, change it on the bed, somebody want to do something.
Yes, but this not look bad at all, man. It not look bad, but
Yes,
I heard that you got the bathroom.
Yes, sister Tania.
Yes. So let me go and do a tour. I can go around there.
We'll see the bathroom, the man. You want to go in that place, go on.
So this is the bathroom.
Yeah.
So it's flushing.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
man.
The flush.
So you use it properly now.
About 2 times we use it already.
Oh, see there? The flush.
And then you use your explain to me after.
I'm the first people in there.
But it look nice, man. It look nice. So they had to remove the board from here
Everything rotten when they try to fix it. Everything them have to just send go. Them the person.
So this now you're gonna give me the receipt for them board here.
Me go try if me can get him.
Yeah, because the lady was saying to me that the receipt is still owing for it.
Yeah, yes. For 2. Them did buy 2, and some. So when them knock, they put on the thing. Them every board are drop off because.
Oh yeah, because yes.
Still rotten. So me have to call for 2 sheet more ply and 2 lot. Not lot, 2 before.
Okay, so what we can do then, because into the PayPal, but I don't have access to it as yet, so I will try and cover the ply boards with it.
And then I'm going to want about 4 sheet more ply.
4 more ply.
Yeah, if you finish that around the side here and on that side.
Oh, so just the 4 ply would have worked?
Yeah, I want like a nice door.
Okay, and then the roofing now. You did do the estimate for me?
Yeah, man, I have it.
Oh, so I need to collect the... Watch a lizard. A lizard that? I'm afraid a lizard, you know.
No, geez.
I need
I'm a company. That's my company.
I need to collect the quotation for the roof.
Yeah, man. I am talking about everything, you know.
Yes.
I want to get through everything till when you come, you know.
Yeah, man.
I think a small washing machine that it close and
can wash. Yeah, and then it smells so sweet.
I can manage the washing in myself.
Mama.
I want to.
Hello, evening. Oh, you feel pain?
Bad man.
Which part you feel the pain?
In balls, a sore.
Oh, so I need one powder. You have to go get one amends powder for rub them, for throw on the balls. May I figure get one?
Yes,
Yeah, here, may I go get one almonds powder because that's the medicated powder. But the greatest thing now.
What you want to do?
Okay, guys, so we just want to thank the donors who have donated the bathroom. I know that we're still owing on the plyboards, but they have donated the face basin and the toilet, and they are, and yes, and do the partition. So they have paid someone to complete this job. So we just want to thank Patrick, Chantel, and Michelle for their contribution towards this, and they are the grandchild and grandniece, right?
Yes,
of the owner of the house. So they have seen the challenges and so on, and that's when they made a decision to tip in and decided that they're going to add on the bathroom. Now the only challenge that we're having is the roof, and once we're completed with the roof, you're good. And then you say 4 more ply, right?
Yeah,
4 more ply to complete around the house, and that's it, and put on the roof and you're good. Yes, so I am. Yes, so you will get the mattress in time, but we want to focus on the roof first. And yeah.
When the rain fall, you know. I look up in the top, man. Look.
Yeah, man, me see it already.
Some clothes.
Me see it into the top.
Don't have any clothes. Don't have much clothes. I would like if you would get a little machine that you can help
him out to wash his clothes.
Yes.
So look here, how you feel, because I heard that you even took a wonderful bath. How was it?
Yeah, the lady them quick fix me good, man. Me not tell no lie for them, man. Better tell you about it.
She bathed you.
Them bathe me nice.
Maris bathed him and me wash him with the hose.
What was the experience like giving him a bath?
Lord, I'm telling you, he quarrel with me about we bathe him.
They're nice, man. I wouldn't tell no lie for them.
Yes, and somebody said he born 42.
It's 1942.
1942.
Oh, so that means that what? God, you remember they were do the calculation. My brain not click you now.
70 something. 70,
Yes.
70. I'm going to 80 or something like that.
Yes.
That bracket there.
Mom, me happy, man. So look here, it's 2 crutches you got.
Yes, you have to crush, but he said can't manage them.
Oh, because somebody's going to donate too.
No crutch? No, you need to have this one in come and him saying can't manage it.
Oh, so, but in here feel good, man. Me say me can't even come in. The last time I could have come in, the last time. Yeah, man, here, son, I go to do clean up or what?
I'm going to scrape out all of what is in here. Rubbish, paper bag.
And put out everything.
All of the old clothes and mess up with the feces.
Everything burn.
Them.
So you really would need some more clothes now.
Them off there, so. Show them and burn them, but as you can see, some more, them just bitch it up, feel. You know?
So I guess it's fine then. So it's just the roof and the plyboard and that's it. Everything else will be out of the way. Not true. Hey, Mr. Lester, and then now I change maybe the bed itself. I forgot change the bottom. Let me look at the bottom.
You see?
Yes.
Start it out.
Yeah. So what is giving the headache now? What you think happened?
Yeah, the headache when me have that now, man. The roof.
You know, just get some pain pill. That's why you have headache. Oh, so I give you a flu. You feel like I get like a flu. Yeah, but he not bed for the 2 years, and now we just get the exposure in the water. So now I forgot get some
alcohol after me done, you know.
Or the window can contribute to it, you know.
Yes, the window.
If the window. No, man, you see, if you never normally open the window and now the breeze just lick you like that, especially when you lie down, you can't go and put it back in the car. It can contribute. It can contribute to the headache and so on, because the temperature now is changing.
Are you daughter?
Because yes, my 2 daughters.
The big man, yeah. Big lady.
No. This is Miss daughter, but my 2 daughters them out there saying at the car with me, then come.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
She know what to see them, mom, that. Whenever I miss them, we can say.
Oh, so then just come round here, so.
First you bad step
I eat you want eat me cake and the 2 of them eat the cake, come down, eat it. Go and go eat it. And the 2 of them eat the cake, you know. And just 1 little piece leave for me. So that's why she. So what is this card right here, so now?
Which car?
The card.
To turn off the light.
Oh, so you just draw it now and turn off the light. Oh, so you make it way easier for you.
Just dry it down,
The
yeah?
big son tie up here and put you over the sun and just.
Oh, that's good, man. Very innovative. Not true.
Yeah, man.
So everything becomes so easy now.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
So, man, me not left that. Me not left that. When 5 years ago, I go holler for 2 tablets, you know, so I beg you want to change it by 2 tablets.
Here you know.
God, me not say no lie.
Here you know.
And the truth we got done, me are talking about.
Well, well,
Me not go no
take
car.
them 2 the way you have and make sure so the pain kind of ease off.
God.
And you have to go push up the windows because if you...
Night time, me excuse you.
Yes, but the new ear where you're exposed to probably, you know.
No, you're not from
No,
me.
I'm not saying all this more just to tell you.
Oh.
Funny way that.
Funny way
Yeah.
Yeah.
that. Put yourself out and no curry.
Hmm?
You put yourself out and no curry. You know.
And what you say?
Put yourself, when I say no put yourself on, you don't have that country when you say curry.
What?
That means you don't have to, you know, at least to.
No.
You say yourself, you find out everything for me.
Eh.
But me quite alright, you see, ma'am.
Yes.
You know, me not tell you no.
Ah, yeah, because just a roof left and...
Try and
but it smell fresh and nice, man. And clean and all of that. And the walkway is like air coming at the place.
yes, man.
Guys, please pray for Mr. Lester because now he's not well. He's having headache. He's having some pain. Where you say you have the pain in your head?
Nah, my head, man. My head no good at all.
Mm-hmm.
And the whole body now so nice.
Mm-hmm.
Through the pain and all them things.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I can tell you something. I'm going to tell you how this place is here.
Mm-hmm.
So like when me bet hot all the while,
Yes.
I'm going to the coolness and them something and just come out. Me no tie out yet.
Oh, so you wait for fitting with the weather. Mm-hmm. So you will be fine then.
I'm still alright, man.
Mm-hmm. You will be fine. Alright, so may I go leave because I just come to see what is happening. But into the board.
When you see after you gone, we can buy some poor Panadol or something.
Yeah. Alright, no problem. Me left you change for you buy Panadol.
We are going to let it go.
No, when me go deal with something out the door and then come back. So me the outside.
Carry back home, me.
Mm-hmm.
No, we send it to blue.
Eh?
Send this up to blue too.
Me nah do no begging again. Come down, Manny. Okay, so mommy is here. So Damani Angel Rochester, she has seen how helpful you were with Mr. Lester, and she has made the decision to send you some money. She has sent you $10,000 for the help that you have been doing and giving to him, right? And I've also learned that you fell off a truck. How did you fell off the truck?
Van.
Off the van.
Take off and I never run off.
Sense step off.
Oh, so you were assisting in carrying the materials for Mr. Lester.
Yeah, but me take off, me never run off.
Mm-hmm. So you should have run off same time. So you have met in a little serious accident right now. So what I want to do on behalf of Angel though, and I know that what you can do, you can use the funds to fill part of the prescription. Not true? All right. So check it off for me, or ask mommy to check it off. It's $10,000. Count it for me quickly.
1,
Check it now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So you want to tell her thanks?
Look at the camera and tell her thank you.
thank you.
All right, and Angela know that he would use that money now to purchase his prescription because he was assisting as well on the truck to get the materials in for Mr. Lester. So he is indeed grateful. I know that he is, and she wants you to keep up the good work and continue to assist and help people. You hear? I hope Mr. Lester hear me. Alright, so bye. So that's yeah, nobody worry yourself. Cause look how you look good, you know. You look like a young, you don't feel young. Answer me, man, you don't feel young. How you feel now? You feel nice, man. I can't see it by you, you know. Brown and look nice and
I'm quite alright.
clean skin clean. Can't get any woman you want, you know.
You talk well.
Not true. True, man. That,
I tell you the doctor, you treat me good. Me not tell you no like that.
yeah, then take good care of you.
Me not say that, you know.
Yeah, but me gonna leave you, you know.
Mr. Morris, one say one pay, you know, sir.
Well, the greatest thing say in your smell nice, so for in your smell good and you have a nice bathroom, a clean bathroom. And who can talk to you now? And who can drop out and say nobody can walk and drop out and say how yeah, think up the place again, not true? The place nice and clean. Nobody can talk to you now.
With the roof, man.
Big up here, Mr. Lester. But guess I know, I'm gonna leave you here, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes, ma'am. Take care of yourself.
yes, you too.
Very good.
Alright. But you look nice. So then so it goes all the way up and then dig it out and go put it all the way around to the pit. And the place clean up and look nice and everything. So let's start. Alright, yeah. Guys, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.